Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord umkhokha the curse. Can we start ngondlovu? Guys, undlovu akasena position. La hopola Undlovu is now positionless. However, he's still serving in the church. Ugai has not given up. Ugai is pushing. Ugai is doing what needs to be done. Now, Ugai is now part of Umkhandlo, but he's no longer in Insila Kamkhululi. Insila Kamkhululi, Ubani Ukhulekani, who has welcomed the position with warm hands and is now fully Judea in every shape or form. However, this means Ukhulekani has lost a lot of deals. Not only has he lost his YouTube channel, he also lost the TV deal that was promised to him because Begui channel yabazalwane, and right now he is no longer umkrestu but fully fleshed Judea. So meaning Uguti, some things have to be taken from him. Now with that, he still believes Uguti Umvelase will make a way, but it seems like now that he is no longer a Christian, yena nomuntu akhe, they are more happier because they share the same faith and everything in Jim is moving accordingly. And with that said, he apologized to Umkhandlo for how he did everything during his father's funeral and thanked Umkhandlo for pushing and making sure that Judea and stuff. All right, ifamily yakamthembu is excited because now the time has come yokuthi umntana azobekwa, umntwana azoya esontweni. Now preparations are in order for the child to go to church and the child to be announced. However, uzamqolo nomabus abantu bethu, they are more excited in moving into the bedroom back together because they were sleeping in different rooms since the child was born. Now that 3 months has been sealed back together, same gubo, same blanket, same everything, second child coming, I'm telling you. All right, and then kube nomkhosi, not nomkhosi nama, nobuntu. Unobuntu is scared ukuthi hayi bazokhuluma ngaye uMenga, right? Remember ukuthi uMenga handed himself in. Yes, uMenga handed himself in. Waqela uPhakathwayo ukuthi uPhakathwayo ngibophise. Phakathwayo did just that. And now uMenga is calling Unobuntu to apologize, but Unobuntu is not taking the apology. The police are also calling Unobuntu, and Unobuntu is thinking ukuthi she will be arrested, but she was reminded ukuthi uMenga did right by her. uMenga made sure ukuthi Unobuntu does not get into any trouble and took accountability and responsibility for everything. Now this means ukuthi the case against Unobuntu iqhithiwe and Unobuntu is a free woman officially. Umenga did the right thing. Now the question is, will she not get tempted to go to the prison and have a relationship with Umenga while Umenga is in prison, knowing ukuthi Unobuntu kahle kahle is drunk in love? What are your thoughts? Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.